In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Steam refund request. If you submitted a refund request on Steam and then changed your mind, the good news is that you may be able to cancel it as long as the request is still pending. This is a fairly simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to look for. To begin, sign into your Steam account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one, since refund requests are tied to the account that made the purchase. Once you're logged in, head to the support area where Steam lets you manage purchases and account-related issues. From there, click on Help with a Purchase. This section shows your recent transactions and is where Steam provides options related to refunds, billing, and purchase support. If you're not sure which item you requested a refund for, take a moment to review the list carefully so you select the correct game or purchase. Next, choose the game or purchase that you previously submitted a refund request for. This will open the support details for that specific item. If your refund request has not been completed yet, Steam should show you an option labeled something like Cancel Refund Request. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it should clearly indicate that you can stop the refund from going through. When you see that option, click it and then confirm your choice. That confirmation step is important because it tells Steam that you want to keep the purchase instead of continuing with the refund process. After confirming, the pending refund request should be canceled. If you don't see a cancel option, that usually means the refund is no longer pending. In most cases, Steam has already processed or approved the refund. Once a refund has been completed, it can't be canceled. If that happens and you decide you still want the game, you'll need to purchase it again. One helpful tip is to act quickly if you've changed your mind. Refund requests can move through the system fast, so the cancel option may only be available for a limited time. Also, double check the purchase details before confirming anything, just to make sure you are canceling the correct request. That's all it takes to cancel a Steam refund request. If the request is still pending, the process is quick and straightforward, and you can usually resolve it in just a few clicks.